안녕하세요 여러분. How long would you wait for the person you love? Or what sacrifices would you make for your loved ones? Well, today's episode is a bit special. Now you must be thinking why. That is because I have two, but 4 K-drama recommendations for you, Chingu. And all 4 of them have their own unique stories, from making you want to cry your heart out when they are separated to make your heart flutter when they finally kiss. Well, today's episode has it all. Subscribe to Hali Talk so that you never miss a recommendation. Human beings are considered as social animals, right? We need our loved ones to survive, and this pandemic definitely taught us that. But have you thought what would be your life if you are left all alone and you have to spend your life as a wanderer? Fantasy is the genre that I enjoy the most. All the mythological creatures, myths, facts, or even the undying mystery. If you are someone just like me, and if this makes you curious, then Goblin is just the perfect drama for you. Goblin, the Lonely and the Great God, is a Korean fantasy drama with 16 episodes and 3 special episodes starring Gong Yoo, Lee Dong Woong, Kim Go Eun, Yo In Na, and Yuk Sun Jae. This drama is the 5th highest rated K-drama in Korea. And trust me when I say every single Korea Boo might seen this drama. It's that famous, and its OST is one of my favorite. It all starts when Kim Shin, a military general from Goryeo dynasty, was framed as a traitor and killed by the young king. Years after his death, he was cursed by the Almighty to stay immortal forever, enduring the pain of seeing his loved one die as a punishment for the soldiers he killed to protect his country. He becomes an immortal goblin, helping people with his power and being a kind man. Despite his grieving past, this part just makes my heart ache so much. The only way to put an end to his immorality is his goblin bride, who happens to be Ji Eun Tak, a bubbly high school student who remains cheerful and hopeful despite her tragic life. She summons the goblin by chance, and their fates begin to intertwine. The goblin's nephew, Yoo Tuk-hwa, rents the goblin house to a grim reaper, and the two end up living under the same roof. Ji Eun-tak starts working as a part-time job at the chicken store run by the charismatic young woman Sunny. As their life intertwines, a deeper story unfolds, as they are not just strangers who met by chance, but people with deep-rooted relations. And will the goblin be able to uplift his curse? Well, you need to watch the drama to know more. Time travel. Well, this word has always got me thinking a lot. It's just a word that raises so many questions, and all are left unanswered. Do you think the same as me? Well, yes, then Moon Lovers Scarlet Heart Rio will be your choice. Love has no boundaries, and this drama is just the perfect example of it. Starring Lee Jong-gi, Lee Ji-young, Kang Na-ul, Scarlet Heart is a historical romance fantasy drama with 20 episodes and 2 special episodes. And if you have ever heard a song by IU, you're already familiar by Lee Ji-eun. It all starts during a solar eclipse. A 25-year-old 21st century woman, Go Ha-jin, is transported back in the Goryeo dynasty. She wakes up in the year of Goryeo dynasty in the body of Hae-soo, among the many princesses of the ruling Hwang family during the reign of King Taeju. She initially falls in love with the gentle and warm-hearted 8th prince Hwang Wook, but later develops a relationship with Hwang So, the fearsome 4th prince who hides his face behind the mask and is given the label of Wolf Dog. As the story develops, Hae-soo finds herself caught up in the palace politics and the rivalry among the prince as they fight for the throne, and a beautiful love story is formed between the two. Will Haji able to survive time travel or even their forbidden love? You need to watch the drama to know more. You know, I have this soft side for all the soldiers and their uniforms. Like, come on, they are so perfect, strong, smart, tall, their looks. Well, my next K-drama was actually the first drama that was shown on Indian television. So I guess a lot of people already know about it. But if you don't, let me guide you. Can the chaos of war and all the dangerous situations lead to a peaceful romance? Well, Descendants of the Sun can answer your questions. Starring Song Joong Ki, Son Hye Kyo, Jin Go, and Kim Ji Won. It's a romance action drama with a lot of melodrama, with 16 episodes and 3 special episodes. Yo Si-jin is a captain of South Korea Special Forces unit. He and his friend Master Sergeant So Dae-young are off duty when they witness a young man stealing a motorcycle and catch him. The thief, Kim Gi-bun, is injured during the chase and therefore sent to the hospital. Dae-young realizes his cell phone was stolen by the thief and goes to the hospital with Se-jin to retrieve it. In the emergency room, Se-jin meets Dr. Kang Mo-yeon for the first time and is instantly attracted to her. Mo-yeon mistakenly assumes Se-jin is the part of thief criminal gang after hearing him being addressed as Big Boss, which is a call sign by So Do-young. Will this misunderstanding lead to a beautiful love story? Will their profession and all the dangerous situation lead them to come closer? You need to watch the drama to know more. What do you do to keep yourself fit? Sports, gym, running, yoga. I personally am not a hardcore sports person, but when I see all the female athletes working out, it's just so fascinating. And the recent Olympics was the year for the women. It just makes my soul fire with motivation. If you are a person who loves sports and K-drama, I have the perfect K-drama recommendation for you. Weightlifting fairy Kim Bo-joo. It's a perfect example for true woman power and letting us know that ladies, we are stronger than we think. Starring Lee Sang-hyun, Nam Ji-yoon, Lee Ji-won, Kang So-jin. It's a rom-com sports drama with 16 episodes. It all starts when Kim Bok-joo, a naturally gifted weightlifter from ambitious and outgoing personality, attends a sports university. Growing up with a father who was a former weightlifter and is inspired to follow his steps. She stands up for herself and her friends. She does not hesitate to beat the people up if they provoke her. You need to watch her standing up for herself. It's just deba. She hides her insecurities and fragile heart under her strong exterior. Bok-soo experiences a one-sided love with Jung Jae-hee, but later starts developing feeling for his brother Jang Young-won, who is also her childhood friend from elementary school and now is an Olympic swimmer. Can a romance bloom between them? Will they be able to make time for each other despite their busy schedules? You need to watch the drama to know more. 2016 has been a blessing for all the K-drama lovers, and I personally started my K-drama journey this year. So it's a special year for me as well. There were so many perfect dramas releases that I couldn't explain all of them, but will definitely recommend the names to you. From Legends of the Blue Sea, W, Two Different Worlds, Doctor, Romantic Doctor, Teacher Kim, Shopping King Louis, and a lot more. Well, that's it for today's video. Go ahead, watch the K-drama recommendations that I mentioned today. I will be back again next week with more K-drama recommendation from 2010 to 2020. Like and comment down below which was your favorite K-drama from all of these. Until then, Ramshiman Kedare Chuseyo. Annyeong.